Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Gujarati breakfast which you guys can make it at your home. So today I'm going to share the recipe of Handva which you guys can make it at your home. So this recipe I got from my Gujarati friend and I tried this dish at your home and so I thought I can make this dish at my home. So let's start. So for this recipe what you need, here I added 1 cup of suji and half a cup of besan. So you have to mix these things together. And here I chopped some veggies. So here is the zucchini. So I will show you guys. So here is the zucchini, shredded zucchini, and here is some shredded carrot, and here is some chopped chilies, and here some methi guys. So I chopped this one and I'm going to add all these veggies into this. So this is very healthy recipe guys. Hey guys, here I added all the chopped veggies and it's time to add some turmeric powder. So half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, it gives a nice color, and half a teaspoon of chili powder. So half a teaspoon of chili powder and salt up to your taste. So I added salt and it's time to add 3 tablespoons of dahi. And I'm going to mix these things together guys. Hey guys, so this is ready and you have to mix these things together with all the veggies. And what I'm going to do guys, take a big pan and switch on the flame. So I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. So you can use any oil guys. So when the oil is hot, we have to add the mustard seeds, the cumin seeds, the curry leaves. Here guys, in this oil, I'm going to add some mustard seeds. So you need a lot of mustard seeds. So when the mustard seeds is started spreading, we have to add this cumin seed. Hey guys, in this I'm going to add some cumin seeds. So you can add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, and some curry leaves, and some hing powder. So then I'm going to add this batter into this. Hey guys, before adding that batter into that pan, we have to add this Eno powder and you have to mix. Then only we will get that fluffy dish. So we have to mix this one very well. So I put it in the pan, and what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to cover this one with the lid and we have to cook each side for up to 10 minutes. So yeah, so this side 10 minutes, then we have to turn. Hey guys, I cover this one with the lid and as I said, I'm going to cook this one for 10 minutes. Hey guys, so my one side is nicely cooked and I kept it in the plate. And what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to add more oil into this pan and I'm going to cook for another 10 minutes guys. So then we'll get the fluffy handva. Hey guys, my handva is ready and I cut into triangle pieces like pizza shape. So this is a quick video of how to make Gujarati dish handva at your home. See you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you soon. Bye.